Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use data validation in Excel to allow only the entries between the specific start time and end time. So let's start, let's see. So let's say we want to allow users to enter the time only between the 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in a check-in column. Okay, check-in time column. Okay. And the first select the range of cell. So I select the range of cell, then go to the data tab. In data tools group, click on the data validation option, click on this drop down, select the first option. And here the data validation dialog box is open. In settings tabs in validation criteria, under the allow, just click on this drop down arrow and select the time. In data, select the between is by default selected. If not, just click on this drop down arrow and select the between option. Start time, enter your the start time. So I enter here 09, add the colon, 00, give the space and enter the AM. Okay. End time 05, add the colon, 00, give the space and enter the PM. Okay. That's it. And click on OK. And here you see you can now enter the time between the 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Okay. So I simply enter here 09 colon, add the colon, and I add here the 45 minutes. Okay. Give the space AM. It's accepted. Okay. Suppose here I enter 08 colon 30, give the space and enter the AM. See, the error is showing Microsoft Excel. This value doesn't match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. Okay. And if I enter the after the 05 p.m., suppose I enter here 06, okay, add the colon, enter the, I just entered 620, give the space. Oh, 1 second. Give the space and enter the PM. Okay, press enter and see the same error is showing that this value doesn't match with your data validation. Okay, so this is the way you can use the add the time with the data validation in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. That's it. Thank you so much.